Welcome to Error Genie. In today's video, we'll guide you step by step through the process of performing a hard reset on your Astro A50 headset. If you're having trouble with your headset and need to reset it, follow along and we'll walk you through the process. Step 1. Locate the Dolby and Game buttons. On your Astro A50 headset, find the Dolby button and the Game button. These are located on the side of the headset. Step 2. Press both the Dolby and Game buttons simultaneously. Make sure to hold down both buttons for 15 to 30 seconds. The time may vary, but holding them long enough is key to ensuring the reset is successful. Step 3. After holding the buttons for the required time, release both buttons. Step 4. Now turn your Astro A50 headset back on and check if the reset was successful. And that's it. Your Astro A50 should be back to normal. If this video helped you, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Error Genie for more tech tutorials and fixes. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.